Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel Want to Stay. Today in this video let's learn about how to recover your deleted messages in WhatsApp. So let's get started. At first let's get into WhatsApp app. So here it is. Now we can go to any message and delete it. Let's go for this one for now. So let's tap on this and delete chat. It's done. Now what we need to do is get into my files and go to internal storage and search for Android here. Click on this and click on media. Now here we can see this option called com.whatsapp. So let's press on this for a while and here's an option to copy. You can go here and click on copy here. So this folder is over here now. Now let's get back and let's uninstall this WhatsApp app. Now we need to go to Play Store, search for WhatsApp and install it. Once you are done, click on open here. You can select the language and agree and continue. Now let's not do anything here and let's get back to my files and simply copy this. Now let's search for Android here and go to media. Here we can see this com.whatsapp app already here. So let's tap on this. Now we need to replace. So it's done. Now we need to get back to WhatsApp app. Now type your phone number. Now backups are getting ready. Now click on restore. Now click on next. Now next. So now over here we can see this chat we have already deleted. So this is it. So this is how you can recover your deleted chats in WhatsApp. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.